get this. Disney World is seeking to dismiss a man's wrongful death lawsuit. And the reason the Mouse House gives has some left scratching their heads. Disney says Jeffrey Piccolo cannot sue over his wife's death linked to an allergic reaction to a meal served at one of the resort's restaurants because he, quote, agreed to Disney Plus terms when he signed up for the streaming service for a 1-month free trial back in 2019. Say what? Our Xavier Walton joins us from Miami to break all of this down. So Xavier, because he tried out for the free streaming service back in 2019, he kind of waived his rights is what they're alleging, right?
Yes and no. This is very convoluted. There's a lot more to this. But the couple, you know what? Here's the backstory. This couple, they go on vacation, Disney, eat at a Disney restaurant, and his wife ends up dying after having an allergic reaction to something she ate. Now, we were talking about a well-respected doctor from New York, Dr. Kanokporn Tangsuan, just 42 years old when she passed away. This was at Disney World, fall of 2023, but Dr. Tangsuan's husband claims the restaurant did not take enough care of over his wife's severe allergies to dairy, nuts, even though he repeatedly, again, this is according to the husband, told them about the allergies. Earlier this year, he filed that wrongful death lawsuit for a sum in excess of $50,000 plus legal costs, alleging negligence. Disney, they have responded, and they actually released a statement, which is the first, and they are not fighting the actual claim of negligence in the wife's death. However, what they're arguing is that because the husband, Jeffrey Piccolo, once signed up for a Disney Plus account in 2019, this is what you were talking about, Nick, and because he used the Disney app to purchase tickets to a theme park in 2023 before his wife's death, Disney claims, based on the fine print in the terms of use, he is forever unable to sue the Mouse House and any of its affiliate businesses. Disney has filed a motion to take this case out of the court and be settled in arbitration. Mr. Piccolo's lawyers, well, they're fighting back, obviously calling Disney's arguments preposterous and insane. They say Disney's case is based on the incredible argument that any person who signs up for a Disney Plus account, even free trials that are not extended beyond the trial period, will have to forever waive the right to a jury trial. That argument that this can be extended to wrongful death or personal injury claims borders on the surreal. Again, this is according to the attorneys. In addition to the claims about the fine print of the agreement, Disney also released a statement saying, hey, you know what? They're saddened. It is extremely sad by this death, but the doctor's death. But given that this restaurant is neither owned nor operated by Disney, we are merely defending ourselves against the plaintiff's attorney attempted to include us in their lawsuit against the restaurant. So that was the first time Disney had commented on this. A court hearing to decide, whether this case can actually proceed, Nick, is slated for October 2nd. But you think about it, I mean, there's a lot going on here. But this decision could really have a chilling effect on contract law. Think about the term and conditions we all sign just over and over again. You don't necessarily read the fine print all the time. But here it's almost like, man, you feel bad for this husband.
Absolutely. But like you said, Xavier, I am one of many who I know for a fact you just kind of sign away and you don't even read that fine print. Xavier, thank you so much.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.